Hello guys and welcome. In this video I will be showing you how to zoom into YouTube videos. A lot of people had a problem while zooming YouTube videos, so I am also going to show you how to fix that. So the first thing that we need to do is go to our App Store or Play Store and in the search bar type YouTube. Now what you need to do is make sure to update the YouTube app. If it is already updated, then just tap on open. Now once we are at the YouTube video, just drag the screen with both fingers and it will zoom into the video. It can zoom up to 8 times without any issue. It is that simple. And if you click on this button, it will be back the original size. So that's it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.